Hello dear students, today we are going to continue lesson number 13, page number 46, duty and devotion. The other day we have already seen about a poor man, how he helped a baby who was crying at home and there was none to look after him. So he brought to his own home and looked after and gave him a name, Ujjwal. And today we are going to talk about a similar thing. Okay, one more person. Okay, we see Rajkumari Amritkar. Her father was Raja Hanuman Singh of Kapurthala. She studied in Great Britain. By profession, she was a nurse. And the achievement that she made was she was the first health minister of India. So in today's class, we will be saying only this. Rajkumari Amritkar was the daughter of Hanuman Singh of the ruling house of Kapurthala. She studied in Great Britain and had the training and charm of a real prince. So she went Britain and had all the training, and she looked really beautiful and had the charm of a real princess. Yet her conscience kept directing her to lead a life of service to her countrymen. She chose to be a nurse and cheerfully did the menial work of looking after the sick and the dying. She became a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. So, in this paragraph, we see, though she had the charm of a prince, she had all the qualities, yet she chose to become a nurse. She wanted to serve the people, and therefore this is the work. This is the work, that means the work of a nurse that she has to take. And you see here menial work. What does the menial work means? It means that it does not require much skill, and at the same time it lacks prestige. So there is no prestige here, but still she does, or she did this. Rajkumari was much influenced by Gandhiji's simple life and service to Harijans. Later, when the new government of independence was formed, it was Bapu's recommendation that she became the first health minister. So we see here, she was much influenced by Gandhiji's simple life and service to Harijan, and therefore we see that later on Gandhiji himself recommended that she should become what? She should become the first health minister of India. And today there is so much sinfulness, suffering and unrighteousness in our world. And today if we look around, we see or we come to hear that there is sinful activities. People are suffering of so many things. You talk about their health, you talk about the other things also. So there are people who are suffering across the world. And we see unrighteousness means there are wicked people, evil person who goes on making or harming the people. They go on making evil plan and in order to harm the others. And that's why we need what? We need awaken the conscience of the young people, and that's why the young people should always alert themselves in order to be away from all this. They leave home and bring much worry and grief to their parents through their wild, uncaring ways. So here we see very important thing to learn from this second last paragraph. That means the young people leave home, they go away, leave their home and bring much worry. And when they return, they bring worry, they bring tension, they bring all the kind of difficulties. And grief to their parents, and sadness to their parents through their wild and uncaring ways. And it happened just because of what? Wild, uncaring ways. So what are uncaring ways? we can just think about, okay, uncaring means that lack, okay, like lacking proper sympathy, or we can say it, okay, heartless, okay, heartless ways, then unemotional and unsympathetic. So this is the kind of, okay, what to say, the uncaring ways are. So the ways in which, okay, there is, okay, what to say, there is lacking proper sympathy, they are heartless, maybe unemotional, okay, all these things are there. A sense of duty pleases God. If we have a sense of duty, it will surely, okay, please God. He rewards those who are dutiful, and God rewards only those who are dutiful, only those who do their duty regularly. They are happy and prosperous, and this is, or these are the kinds of people who remain always happy and prosper in their life, because they are mild and humble. They are mild means they are compassionate to the others, okay, they are forgiving, they are merciful, they are forbearing, okay, just because of having these many qualities, okay, and humble. They thank God for making them beautiful and for His gifts and blessings, and they always, okay, thank God for His gifts and blessings. So this is that we have for today's class. Please remember the things, okay, which I have already told you. Okay, in today's class we have seen only about Rajkumari Amritkar. Along with that, okay, towards the, okay, last two paragraph, it says about awakening, isn't it? We should, okay, make ourselves alert of the surroundings, whatever that is happening, and we should be away from all the bad things, especially the sinful activities. Maybe, okay, just because of our activities also people are suffering, and we should be away from evil plans or decisions that we make. Thank you, dear students. If you have any queries, you can ask me during the live class.